Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your age on Facebook. Please keep in mind, you can change your birth date only a certain times. Now before I start with my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video, comment and let us know your thoughts on queries, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. Now go to your profile, scroll down and go to edit details and click on update your information. Under about, go to contact and basic info. On your right hand side you can see contact and basic info has opened. Scroll down and you can see the cake icon over here, which is for your birthday. Click to edit. Now you can change your birthday. You have the privacy system over here if you want your friends to see, or if it should be public. You can also have a customized list if you wish to. You can also change the year if you wish to. Now for year you have a different privacy system. If you wish to hide your age, you can keep it only me, means only your birth month and date will be visible. Birth year will not be visible. If you want to keep it public or have a customized list, you can also do that. Now click on the confirmation about your age. It has been clearly mentioned that date of birth can only be edited a limited number of times. Now before I click on save, I will be clear over the privacy system once again. My birth date and the month will be visible to my friends, but my birth year will not be visible to my friends. If I wish to make my birth year visible, I can do that by changing the privacy settings over here. Now click on save, and that's how you'll be able to change your age on Facebook. I hope my video was informative. Let us know if you have any suggestion or queries by commenting below. Give a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to our channel to learn more and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload something new.